Love high-speed fun on the water? Whether you're a hobbyist, a racer, or just looking for some adrenaline-pumping action, today we're diving into the top 5 best remote control boats you can buy right now. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the WLtoys WL916 remote control boat. The WLtoys WL916 remote control boat offers an exhilarating experience for water enthusiasts with its impressive high-speed performance. Capable of reaching speeds up to 60 km per hour, this boat is designed for those who crave fast-paced action on the water, whether it's in a race or just cruising across a lake or pool. At the heart of the WL916 is a powerful brushless motor that delivers exceptional efficiency and performance. Unlike traditional brushed motors, the brushless design ensures more stability and durability, while the integrated water cooling system effectively prevents overheating during extended use. This cooling mechanism helps maintain optimal motor performance, allowing for longer play sessions and increased longevity. Navigating the waters with precision is made easy with full proportional controls, providing smooth and accurate adjustments in all directions. The highly sensitive steering gear allows for effortless maneuverability, making it ideal for tight turns or quick changes in direction. Whether you're gliding along calmly or performing high-speed maneuvers, the WL916 offers responsive handling. One of the standout features of the WL916 is its built-in LED lighting. This lighting not only enhances the boat's appearance but also improves visibility during evening or low-light conditions. Whether you're playing at dusk or night, the cool LED lights create a fun and vibrant atmosphere on the water. Additionally, the boat's rudder and steering are adjustable, allowing users to fine-tune the boat's turning radius to suit their preferences or the water conditions. This customization ensures that the boat can be fine-tuned for the best possible experience, whether for casual play or competitive racing. With its powerful motor, precise controls, and aesthetic design, the WLtoys WL916 is an exciting option for those looking to elevate their remote control boating experience. Coming in at number 4, we have the Boat Recoil 2 remote control boat. The Boat Recoil 2 remote control boat combines advanced technology and user-friendly features, making it an exceptional choice for RC boating enthusiasts. A standout feature is its self-righting design. If the boat flips over, simply pressing a button on the Spectrum SLT3 transmitter automatically rights it, making it ideal for large bodies of water where manual retrieval can be a hassle. Powered by the factory-installed Spectrum Firma 2950 kV brushless motor, the Recoil 2 offers strong, consistent performance. Brushless motors are renowned for their efficiency, delivering higher speeds and longer run times while reducing wear and tear compared to traditional brushed motors. Additionally, the motor's water cooling system helps maintain optimal operating temperatures, even during intense use. Charging is simplified with the Spectrum 3S Smart LiPo battery and Spectrum S120 USB-C Smart Charger. The charger automatically detects the battery type and adjusts its settings, ensuring safe and fast charging, typically under an hour. This means more time on the water and less waiting around. To enhance durability, the Recoil 2 features a water-cooled Spectrum Firma 30A brushless ESC and motor, preventing overheating and prolonging the life of the electronics. The boat's 18-inch deep V-hull design is engineered for efficiency, allowing it to cut through water smoothly while maintaining stability at high speeds. This rugged design also protects the internal components, ensuring the boat remains reliable and durable for long-lasting use. The Boat Recoil 2 stands out for its thoughtful design and impressive performance, offering a seamless RC boating experience. At number 3, the Hosim Streamer Pro remote control boat. The Hosim Streamer Pro remote control boat offers an exciting experience for RC enthusiasts, combining impressive speed, extended runtime, and practical features designed for convenience and safety. Powered by a 2212 brushless motor, the Streamer Pro reaches speeds of over 30+ mph, delivering both rapid performance and long-lasting durability. Compared to brushed motors, the brushless motor consumes less power, about 1/3 the amount, while extending the lifespan of the boat's motor by 2 to 3 times. This ensures not only faster speeds but also improved efficiency for prolonged use, minimizing the need for frequent maintenance. One of the standout features of this RC boat is its dual 3S, 11.1V, 2000 mAh high-capacity batteries. With this setup, The boat can run for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, allowing for extended racing sessions. The dual battery system guarantees consistent power, providing an uninterrupted experience during your time on the water. For safety and convenience, the Streamer Pro comes equipped with a low battery alarm, which alerts the user when the boat or controller is running low on power. This feature ensures that you can navigate the boat back safely before it runs out of charge, preventing the risk of it getting stranded in the water. The boat also includes bright LED lights on each side, making it not only visually striking but also functional for nighttime racing. These lights help users track the boat easily in low light conditions, adding an extra level of excitement to evening races while improving visibility. Whether racing during the day or at night, the Hosim Streamer Pro is built to deliver an exhilarating and reliable remote control boating experience. In the second spot, we have the Alpharev R208 remote control boat. The Alpharev R208 remote control boat offers an exhilarating experience on the water, combining speed, power, and fun features for water enthusiasts of all ages. Equipped with a 370S brushed motor, the R208 delivers impressive performance, reaching speeds of over 20+ mph. This rapid speed adds an adrenaline rush to water play, making the boat ideal for both competitive racing and casual fun. One of the standout features of the R208 is its enhanced visibility thanks to built-in LED lights. These lights not only elevate the boat's aesthetics but also improve its visibility in low-light conditions, allowing for easier navigation during nighttime use. The lights also provide a unique visual element, making evening races even more thrilling. The R208's 180-degree capsize recovery function further sets it apart from other remote-controlled boats. This feature allows the boat to right itself after capsizing, even in rough waters. This makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users who want a more worry-free experience on the water. Adding an extra layer of fun is the boat's auto demo function, which lets the R208 perform automatic driving stunts, such as executing smooth H-shaped tricks. This feature is especially appealing to children and provides an exciting entertainment option for parties and gatherings. With a control range of up to 300 feet, the Alpharev R208 offers a substantial play area for users, whether in a pool or on larger bodies of water. This long-range control ensures that users can explore their surroundings without the constant concern of losing connection, making for a more enjoyable and uninterrupted experience. The R208 promises to deliver hours of fun for anyone looking to add excitement to their water play. And finally, at number 1, we have the Force1 Velocity remote control boat. The Force1 Velocity remote control boat offers an exciting and dynamic experience for both kids and adults. With its high-speed performance, it delivers a thrilling ride, making it perfect for racing across pools and lakes. Its design supports quick maneuvers, ensuring fast-paced action on the water, which appeals to enthusiasts of all ages. A standout feature of the Force1 Velocity is its innovative underwater driving capability. This unique ability allows the boat to dive beneath the surface, providing a whole new dimension to RC boating. Whether you're looking to explore aquatic environments or add a layer of adventure to your boating experience, this feature enhances the fun and excitement. For those concerned about stability, the Force1 Velocity is equipped with an auto-capsizing recovery mode. If the boat flips over, this mode helps it right itself, allowing for smooth sailing even after a mishap. This is especially helpful for younger users who may still be mastering steering and boat control. To ensure extended playtime, the Force1 Velocity comes with 2 rechargeable 3.7V 800 mAh batteries. This allows for longer boating sessions, as you can easily swap out batteries when one runs low. The boat's charging time is around 120 minutes, giving users the option to keep the fun going without long breaks. The 2.4 GHz remote control enhances the experience with a range of up to 328 feet. It also includes useful features like a dive button, low signal warning, and trim adjustment, allowing for smooth operation and precise control. This advanced control system ensures that users can race multiple boats simultaneously without interference, making it an ideal choice for competitive fun.